Okay, so this is problem number 12 on the Math Excel and transformations in the plane. So before we get started, there's a few things that we need to know. So the lowercase r right there is for rotation. Okay, the 90 degrees is going to be counterclockwise. Okay, so for all of these problems, you're going to assume counterclockwise unless they tell you otherwise. It's going to be the same thing on the NJSLA. And when they say O, that just means the origin. Okay, so if I look at the coordinates on here, so I need to do a 90 degrees counterclockwise rotation. That means that the transformation is going to be, the coordinates are going to flip, and the new x coordinate is going to become negative. Okay, so if I have F, G, H, and J, let's see. So F is 0, 5. G is -2, 1. H is 4, 7. Oh, sorry, -7. And J is 6, 4. Okay, so that means that we're going to flip all these, and the x coordinates are going to change their sign. So this becomes -5 and 0 because it was originally +5. This becomes -1 and -2. This becomes -7 and +4, or actually +7 and +4, right? Because it starts out as -7, becomes +7, and then -4 and 6. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out based on that which of these it should be. So -5, 0. So the answer should have -5, 0 on it. So it looks like the only two that have those are C and D. So it's not A and it's not B. So it could either be C or it could be D. Now, -1 and -2. So remember, we're starting with the blue and going to the red. It looks like C has -1 and -2, but D does not. So it shouldn't be D, but let's just double check to make sure that the other points are on C. 7 and 4. So 7 and 4 is right there. That's good. And then -4 and 6. That point's right there. Okay, so C is the correct answer. Okay, so all you need to do is apply the correct transformations. Remember, this was 90 degrees counterclockwise. Just to recap, if I did 180 degrees counterclockwise, that means that the only thing that changes is the signs, so -x and -y. And then for 270 degrees counterclockwise, the coordinates flip just like they do for 90 degrees, except the new y coordinate is going to be negative. Okay? Keep asking questions, and I'll keep making videos.